Thank you for coming back to my channel for another stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, it's Monday morning, so maybe the puppet masters in Washington will get something done this week. You know they're in no big hurry. They've said it themselves. They're not hurting like the American people are. Y'all, I said this 4 days ago, and now it seems like everybody is saying it, which is fine. I don't know if they're copying me or it's just coincidence, but it's good news, so it needs to get out there. I believe $2,000 monthly payments is still possible. And I'm going to tell you why. When they go to negotiate and pull out all the garbage, okay, they're going to send it back and they're going to say, okay, we can take this out, but give me $2,000 a month reoccurring stimulus checks. And from the price tags of some of the things, it would be far more cheaper for them to do that than add in all that garbage. So I still think there's a possibility of getting $2,000 a month. I really think this bill will get passed, but it's going to be watered down. It's going to be hashed out. And when will it happen? I don't think we'll see a payment until June, the first part of June. I hope I'm wrong. I hope it's faster than that, because a lot of people are hurting. Like I said before, I'm doing fine. I'm not hurting a bit. I didn't lose anything. But there's people out there that needs help desperately. Y'all keep your chins up. I think this is going to work out in our favor. At least that's what I'm praying for. Y'all, until the next video, you know I make these videos every day, so please subscribe, like my channel, dislike my channel, leave me a comment. I love you all. Ciao.